takeoff, landing, taxiing, and until the fasten seatbelt sign above you has on all our Asia flights. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to your support, we have won the world's best low-cost airline experience and inspire a travel lifestyle. Hashtag TravelGR8 in your social media photos or videos and be a part of the movement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important announcement. Due to recent events involving the Samsung Galaxy Note 7, please to be advised that the carriage of this device is prohibited on all Asia flights. If you are carrying this device on board,
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern, and insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. To attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. Keep in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. Exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm.